Hello, it's Inspired Reflections by Shawnee. Thank you so much for joining me if you are new or if you've been here before. Today I'm going to show how I decorated my home for spring. It's finally starting to warm up and I'm so excited to bring out all of my flowers and spring decor. I got all of these wisteria flowers off of Amazon last year. They really make a big impact and are so easy to incorporate into my decor. A lot of these other flowers I was able to find at the Dollar Tree, thrift stores, and Amazon. I saved so much money finding the majority of these at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Now I'm just switching up some of my cocoa bar items to be a spring tea bar. I took out the cocoa, added some honey sticks, my china tea set, some Winnie the Pooh decor, little spoons, and little tea cookies. I think Winnie the Pooh is such a cute addition to my tea bar since he loves honey and tea goes so well together. I love being able to make myself a cup of tea and to get cozy and enjoy some quiet time. Lastly, I decided to add these little honeybee lights. I think it adds another cute touch and some extra lighting. I enjoy this tea bar so much and I hope it gives you some ideas in case you want to make one of your own. If you have any questions about what items are in my tea bar, you can leave me a comment and I'll try to answer any questions that I can. hope you enjoyed this video and that it gives you some inspiration for your own spring decorating. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you will join me in my next video. Stay inspired. Bye!